Now, let us understand how to define a function and how to call a function. Defining a function starts with def keyword. We find my function close with parenthesis and colon. Suppose I try to print hi, I love football and cricket. Here I have defined my function. Next would be calling it. Calling a function. So calling a function is easy. Just type name of the function. Yeah, sorry, yeah. See, I have called the function name. If I execute this, output would be hi, I love football and cricket. Having said that, I like your passion and energy. Thank you guys. Okay guys, this is all I have got here. For complete Python developer course from beginner to expert, check the link in the description below. Look into the course description and the content of the course. If you find the course add value to your career, then enroll for it. Remember, what you do today defines your future. Thank you.